Ever since I consulted with him, I've only been up.
Rapha-El helped me expand my online business to 6 figures. I mean, can you believe that?
Basically helped me grow it to a six-figure business.
Even helped take our small business idea and blossom it into a full-fledged business.
Turning my company from making, under $1,000 to a 6-7 figure salary is completely doable.
I've been working with Rapha-El for over a year now.
My return on investment has been wild, so...
helped me in everything, answered all my questions.
Everyone needs a coach. Michael Jordan, Kobe Bryant, even Tom Brady.
I'm grateful that Rapha-El took me under his wing and really showed the ropes to someone that really wasn't coming from this type of business background.
I really think that his mentorship, it is the best.
He's nothing but the best.
Rapha-El is the best.
Because it really helps when you have the right person on your team who can guide you and teach you all, what do you need to do, and literally, give you those right steps.
If you've been stuck on the fence about starting your own business, this is the perfect time. Click the link below and let's communicate.